So we're in the back of the addition. We're looking at this giant hole right here. What is going on here? So we're gonna have a 60-inch electric fireplace here with a 60-inch television above it. And there's gonna be beautiful windows left and right. So when they're open, you're gonna get a nice cross breeze into the kitchen, and you're gonna get a great view of the pool. We just got delivery of our electric fireplaces today. So we're gonna unwrap them and we're gonna show you what's in the box. So our fireplaces are inside, and the first one we're going to talk about is our 56-inch electric multi-view fireplace from Modern Flames. This fireplace allows you to either totally build it in, expose one side, expose all three sides, or surface mount it where it's totally glass view from three sides. The cool thing about this fireplace is it doesn't need any vent. So we're going to now unbox it and show you exactly what it looks like. So now everything's unboxed, and we're going to show you exactly what comes with the unit. You've got your glass panels, you've got your mounting brackets, your mending panels if you're going to surface or fully install it in the wall. These take the place of the glass panels. Your ceramic log set, your controls and screws, your glass media, your Wi-Fi remote control, and your glass suction cups to remove and install the glass. Everything is going to be at the same plane.
Fireplace is installed and functional, and the last thing for us to do is pick our tile. So pick the Aria Ice 2x4 porcelain tile, which is going to be a great complement to this nice bright white mantle trim work and this big crown molding at the top.
Everything will be one continual piece all the way across. So basically you got your 1x10, these are going to be 1x3, they're kind of 2 inches. You'll run these ones will run long, then these pieces will fit in between around the top. The top piece here will be a 1x6 and a 1x3, 3/4 by 3/4 cove molding will give you that size right there.
Top, bottom, and middle.
I'm good. So we're in our great room today, and I wanted to show you our new fireplace unit, which features the Modern Flames 60-inch Pro multi-unit. So this unit is 10 inches deep, so it has a lot of dimensions, and I'm going to show you the features of it today. First of all, everything is controlled right from the remote control or right from your smartphone. So you turn the unit on, everything can be controlled independently from the flame color to the crystals to the ambient light coming down from the top. It also can be controlled with 110 or 240, which can give you up to 10,000 BTUs of heat. So if you're looking for a unit with a lot of choices and a lot of features with a ton of dimensions, try Modern Flames.